Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath. The bathroom is the only place where you can play with your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. Guys, you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, www.themandwhoselfhimselfonfire.com. We also have a PayPal link in the description of the video. So today we're talking about wireless microphones, guys. And the great thing about this, you can use it with a smartphone. Let's get into the workbench and I'll show you guys exactly how it works. I'll be right back. Your UHF wireless microphone system. Let's go ahead and open up this box, have a look and see what we have inside. Right, pull this back and you can see it's a nice presentation. The first thing you're going to find is the user manual. Go ahead and open this up. It's written in Chinese and English, but the manual really spells everything out, guys. Really explains to you about the dual channel. It explains to you about the type of batteries you should use. You get up to 10 hours of usage depending on the batteries that you have. Also, we have this little accessory kit right here, so there's antennas and everything. Let's put it together. Okay guys, so here are some of the accessories that come with it. This is a little splitter wire right here. This is what you're going to use when you have a cell phone, a smartphone. You also have your lapel mic itself, and you can see that it's really built very well. Nice clamp on it. I like the little gold connecting quick lock tip. And you also have a connection if you wanted to use like one of your mics in your studio. You can go ahead and plug that in, and it can be like an interview mic. You can see you have the 3-headed connections, the XLR connection, and a connection to fit into the receiver. And you have the device itself, guys. This right here, it's made out of plastic, but it does have a nice feel to it. And you can see at the top, guys, everything is clearly labeled. You have a spot for your mic in, you have a spot for headphones to monitor the sound. You also have a little side portion cut out where you can plug in an external power source. And this is your batteries right here. I recommend that you use rechargeable batteries. You just go ahead and press this in and slide it out and take AA batteries. But again, it feels great in the hand. This right here would be your transmitter, and I love the little clamps on it, guys. You have your high and low, meaning you can go ahead and kind of cut out some of the wind. And the lapel mic also have like a little wind muff on it. You can set your channels, you can set your frequencies, and again, it give you all kind of indicators to when you are low on power or when the device is on. Setting it up is pretty easy also, but I love the locking mechanism, guys. You don't know how many times I had my wireless mic hooked up and I got caught on something and it got pulled out. So I love that extra security feature. So that's about it, guys. This is how it look after it's all connected. The antenna's on, it's ready to rock and roll. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it outside. I'm going to hook it up to a cell phone and show you guys exactly how you can get creative. Alright guys, here we have it, guys. I'm so excited. You can see I have the lapel mic on right now. Now this wireless mic not only works with a DSLR camera, but it comes with an adapter that allows you to use it with an Android smartphone or an Apple smartphone. I have the DJI Osmo 2, and this gimbal right here allows me to go ahead and put the cell phone on here. I have the configuration right here for the mic. You see I have the little adapter plugged up right here. I have it rigged right here on the Osmo. I have the little iPhone adapter. You see I have like a little counterweight to kind of balance everything off. Now what is the importance of that? Man, imagine if I just go ahead and I use this tracking feature on here. Check it out. So everywhere I go, the gimbal will follow. So now I have a wireless mic and the gimbal following me. So let's say I'm doing like some type of show to where I'm cooking or something like that. I have the flexibility where I can get good audio, good sound, and I can have the camera following. And with that DJI Osmo Mobile 2, you can do time lapse, hyperlapse, everything you need to do. Just use your creativity. But this is another way that this microphone can take your production level up. Let me show you guys exactly how it looks with the tracking feature. Alright guys, so here it is with the wireless mic. I have it hooked up onto the gimbal. You can see as I walk, the gimbal is going to follow me. So if I'm doing a cooking show or a hands-on show, I'm showing somebody how to change the brakes on the car or something, I can just hook this mic up wisely and move around, and you can see DJI Osmo Mobile 2, boom baby, beautifully, flawlessly. And look, I have the ability to step away from the mic. Now this mic, it does have low cut on there, so if you have like this truck that's passing by, or you have like wind in the background, it would definitely help cut some of that out. Practically, you don't have to go that far away from your camera because you always want your subject in the shot. But as you see, I come back and it grabs me right away and I can start moving again. So this is another way that this wireless device can take your production value up to another level. Believe it or not, this same rig that I have hooked up to this DJI Osmo Mobile 2, I can easily apply the same concept with this GoPro that I have, this GoPro rig that I'm using. I can change out the microphone and I can have a wireless lapel mic. So once again, let's just revisit this setup. I have the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Have it on the tripod. I took a GoPro accessory with a tripod stand, some Velcro tape, and then a little latch to go ahead and latch it on tightly. Or you can use a rubber band. I also have the iPhone adapter cable with the smartphone or cell phone adapter cable that comes with the wireless lapel mic. And you can tell from the quality, it just came out beautifully, guys. So let's go ahead and jump back into the bathroom. I'm gonna have it hooked up on my DSLR and you'll be able to see the sound that way. Once again, this is a great concept. I love the little adapter. It takes your production up to a whole nother level. Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can see, with a little creativity, you really can take your production to the next level using this wireless microphone. Now here are some of the things I like about it. I love that it's very professional looking. I love that it has that lock-in, twist and lock-in clamp for the receivers. Also guys, you can use it in dual mode. So if you had another transmitter, you can have two people wired up. It can be used over 100 different channels. So there's any type of interference, you can go ahead and change the channel. You have A and B, the ability to change the frequencies, guys. It looks very, very professional. And again, you can hear the sound. It sounds absolutely wonderful, guys. It's absolutely wonderful, guys. Another thing that I love about it is that you can mute it. You can adjust your settings. You can also go ahead and hook up a pair of headphones to where if someone else is behind the camera, they're monitoring the sound. These things, man, just make your project more and more professional. Not only does it give it a professional look, but it gives it that professional sound. You seen in the video, I had it mounted to a DJI Osmo 2, using it with a iPhone tracking mode, and you've seen the potential of that production. And right now I have it mounted to my DSLR. I even can mount this thing to my GoPro 5 rig. So the opportunities is unlimited with this. If you want to see me do something else with this wireless microphone, go ahead and comment below. But so far, guys, I'm loving it. 5 stars out of 5. Until next time, it's your boy taking the bathroom. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to go ahead and get this bad boy, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.